It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10, it's glistening once again with candy cans and silver lamps that glow.
I just did a little Walmart pickup for just like the little week that we have with Kirsten here for Christmas. We're gonna make cookies and I'm gonna make some white chicken chili tomorrow, which I've made it for my friends and it was so good and I've been craving it ever since. So we're gonna make that too. And I'm just gonna unload these, go back home. To come really close. I'm gonna make the salad. I love romaine so much. Now we're gonna make a second batch. So we're frosting our cute little cupcakes. These are gonna look so ugly, but they're gonna taste so good. What the heck? What? This one's like nothing. How cute and Christmassy. Cute.